Before we start practice set 10, let us be familiar with what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers. Now, prime numbers are the numbers which do not have any factor, okay, like 17, 19, okay, 23. Let me explain you more simply. The number that doesn't come in any table, this number will not come in any table except 1 and itself. Okay, the numbers that don't come in any table, but every number has to come in the table of 1. Okay, and it will also come in the table of itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. Okay, every other number other than prime numbers are called composite numbers, like 2, 4, 9, 26, okay, 27. These are all composite numbers. Okay, understood? Now there is only one number which I cannot place it in prime number and I cannot place it under composite numbers. The number is 1. Why? Because it comes only in the table of 1. Okay, these numbers come in two tables of 1 and itself. Okay, but 1 comes in only one table. That is why 1 is neither prime, it is nor composite. Understood what are prime numbers, what are composite numbers? Okay, as in alphabets you have A to Z. Okay, when I say vowels, A, E, I, O, U, okay, these are vowels. So what remains is consonant. Okay, so here also prime numbers, if you take out, what remains is composite numbers. Only one is the exception. Okay, so let us begin with the exercise. So the first sum they have asked is, which number is neither prime nor a composite number? I explained you, children, only number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now, which of the following are pairs of co-prime? Now understand, children, what are co-prime numbers. Okay, if you say what are prime numbers, I'll say 2, 3, 5, 7. I cannot write 9, 11, 13. Okay, there are pair of prime numbers which has only one even number in between. Okay, such numbers are called co-prime numbers, like 11 and 13. There is only one even number in between. Okay, then I can write 17 and 19. This is also called a co-prime number. Okay, so you can see first, second, third, fourth. Third option you can see 17 and 19. That is an example of co-prime numbers. Okay, now they have asked to write prime numbers starting from 25 and go till 100. So I'll start with 29, then you have 31, then you have 33, I cannot write, 34, 35, 36, 37, then 41, then 43, then 47, then 49 comes in the table of 7, I cannot write. 51 comes in the table of 17, I cannot write. 53, 59, 57 I cannot write because it comes in the table of 19. Then 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, then you have 89, and lastly in the column of 90 you have 97. You cannot write 91, 93. So how many numbers are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 numbers. Okay, there are 16 prime numbers between 25 to 100. Okay. Now fourth one, I'll just select from this. Okay. Fourth one, they have asked write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. Okay, so I have from here 51 to 100 I have. Okay, this is not twin prime, this is twin prime. See, 59, 61. I'll come to the next line, put a semicolon. Okay, 67, 71, 71, 73, you can see 71, 73. Okay, then you have 73, 79, you cannot take 79, 83, you cannot take 83, 89, 99, you cannot take 89 and 97. Okay, so you have two pairs of twin prime numbers. Okay, from 51 to 100. Okay, then they have asked write 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 51 to from 1 to 50. Okay, so it is very simple. First I can write 3 comma 5, then take the second one, 5 and 7 also I can write. Okay, then I can write 11 and 13. Okay, then I can write 17 and 19. Okay, and then I can write 23, 27, 29 and 31. Okay, there are many that you can write, like 39, 41, 39. No, you cannot write 39. Okay, so you can write this 5 pairs of twin prime numbers. Okay, which are the even prime numbers? So sixth one is very easy. Okay, I am writing here only 2 is the even prime number. Okay children, with this we come to the end of practice set 10. Goodbye children.